I'm Emily from Scenic Vans, and I wanted to show you our Cascade model. It is built on a 170 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It has a near king-size bed, comfortable shower, bench, and a big cooking area. I'm excited to show you. One of the first things you see when you enter the Cascade model is this large bench. So it's nice because there's multiple options for dining and hanging out. So, multiple people could sit on this bench and have this Lagun Table as their tabletop, or one person could sit here and one person could sit in the passenger seat because it swivels around. And then you can move this table and move the height based on your needs. These benches also offer additional storage for your trip. So you lift these lids, and you have big storage compartments under here. This model has our large galley system. It has a deep sink with additional storage space, a 2-burner stove with a drawer, and a fridge, which has a large portion for food, a drawer section for your freezer, and a fold-down section for any bottles or beverages. And you have your countertop with 3 additional drawers for storage. This model has a spacious built-in shower. Once you take the toilet out, you have this nice space to get all clean. It's plumbed to hot and cold water, so you're able to have a hands-free shower experience. It also has a self-cleaning shower curtain to provide privacy during your shower. A major highlight of the Cascade model is that it has a huge, near king-size bed that's super comfortable. When you have the larger van like this, you're able to sleep lengthwise in the van. That provides a super spacious sleeping and lounging experience. You have your handle and steps to help you get up. Another benefit with the Cascade is the amount of storage that it provides. You have 4 overhead cabinets that connect the dining area and the bed and allows you to have access to your things while you're in bed. The benefit of having a platform bed like this is you're able to have all the additional storage under the bed, which I'll show you in the back now. Once you open both back doors, you'll see all the storage that this van provides. You have your large storage space in the center and then a few cabinets on the side for additional storage. You also have your exterior shower that provides a good space to wash off your feet or your pets during your trip. The Cascade is equipped with bug screens, so you can feel free to have the door open without worrying about bugs getting in the van. You also have cooling and heating options with the MaxxAir Fan to create a nice cross breeze, and your heater to warm the van in winter and colder temperatures. All our vans are off-grid compatible, so they come with solar charging, alternator charging, and you can plug in if you need to. So they're ready to hit the open road and not worry about power.